A computer business center could be a perfect beginning, supported by government schemes and designed for steady income. PMEGP stands for Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program. It's a government-backed scheme that helps individuals start small businesses. It works as a credit-linked subsidy, meaning you take a bank loan and the government supports a part of it as subsidy. The scheme is specially designed to create employment, encourage entrepreneurship, support small and micro businesses. It is available for individuals, self-help groups, institutions and cooperatives. And it covers both manufacturing, service-based businesses, which means a computer business center is completely eligible under PMEGP. A computer business center is one-stop solution for everyday digital needs. You can provide services like printing and photocopying, DTP and basic designing, data entry and simple accounting, along with lamination and document binding, online government applications, scanning and fax services, all in one place for your local community. Now let's talk about investment. The total project cost is around 5 lakh rupees, including setup and working capital. But here is the important part, you don't have to invest everything. With PMEGP support, you pay only around 25%. The bank finances the remaining 75%, which makes this a low risk and high potential business start. It is a combination of three parts. First, your contribution around 25%. Second, a bank loan about 75%. And third, the key benefit, government subsidy under PMEGP is 15 to 35%. This subsidy directly reduces your loan burden, which means you start with less pressure and better support. Now let's look at the earning potential. At full capacity, annual revenue can reach around 11.7 lakh. Net profit can be about 4 lakh. That's nearly 35% profit margin. And overall, around 80% return on your investment. The best part, you can break even by year 2 to 3. Let's break it down simply. For basic services like printing, photocopy and scanning, you earn small amounts daily, but together it adds up. Designing and data entry bring higher income, and regular services give steady daily flow. On average, you can earn around 3,900 per day, which means nearly 1 lakh per month, and around 11 to 12 lakh per year, all from one small center. To start this business, you don't need anything too complex. A computer with required software, a printer, scanner and photocopy machine, along with basic machines like lamination and binding, and simple setup like furniture, internet and power backup. Everything is easily available in the market, so overall, setup is simple, practical and easy to manage. To start this business, a few basic registrations are required. First, Udyam registration for MSME, the PMEGP application for loan and subsidy, along with GST registration if needed, shop and trade license from local authority, and a current bank account for business. The good news is most of these can be done online and free. Starting this is simple. Just follow these steps. First, prepare your project report. Second, apply online through the PMEGP portal. Then your application goes to KVIC or DIC for review. You may attend a short interview or training. After approval, the bank sanctions your loan and you can start your business. Just repay regularly and enjoy the subsidy benefit. If you're ready to start, here is where to approach. Apply online through the PMEGP portal. Get your Udyam registration done first. For support, contact your district industry center or reach out MSME helpline. And for banking, partner banks and SIDBI will guide you. Always start with your local DIC office. They will support you step by step. Along with PMEGP, many state governments also offer additional support, extra subsidies, low interest loans, skill training and marketing support, and in some cases even collateral free loans. So before you start, always check your state level schemes as well. You might get more support than you expect. Why does this business work so well? You don't need high skills to start. You can set it up almost anywhere, and the best part, you get regular customers throughout the year with strong return on investment. Also, no need to own land or building. You can start it in a rented space, and as you grow, you can easily add more services and expand. Simple start, steady growth, and a strong future. Take the first step today. Register your Udyam, apply through the PMEGP portal, visit your nearest DIC office and open your business account. And all the best for all.